Hey guys, I'm doing something a little bit different today, and I am taking you around the lot so you can get an idea of the inventory that we do have here. Allowed. Excuse me, the Vintage Farmhouse Flex, which has a dual master. And this one has a porch on it as well. The one that we chose as far as the Flex is going to be the media room. But again, guys, this has a dual master. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a dual master. Pretty awesome floor plan. And let me take you out over here. So what you're looking at now is going to be the Horizon Limited. And right next to that bad boy, you're going to have the Horizon 56. And over here, we have our single wide lane, and we have from Fleetwood 16 by 76. We have an 18 wide Palm Harbor, which is the Santa Fe, and then you see the big one over there, our triple wide, the LaBelle, or also known as the Fifth Avenue. This is the 2021 LaBelle. This is our Urban Homestead. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-living room, 2356 square feet. Right next to her, there is a Magnum, which is a 66-footer, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. That house is known for its master and also its kitchen area. And back here, we have a little bit of everything. So, meaning we have a Cavco, which is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, a Cavco, which is 4-bedroom, 2-bath, over 2,100 square feet. And then the Somerset is here as well, which is the 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So we have the largest inventory in this area available for you. I know inventory right now is hard to come by. You can't see the house that you're interested in. Not here. We will not or have not sold our lot models. So that gives you a chance to see the home that you'll be building in the future. You can also go to our website at www.cleveland.palmharbor.com and see the inventory that we have available for you. But we have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So kind of gives you a feeling for both single wide and double wides. And we have 2 triple wides here. So we have the 2 single wides, which is out of our Austin factory. So those are going to have full tape and texture. Our single wides are going to start off in the 30s. We have a Cavco, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and that one's going to be about $39,900. That's available. And they go all the way up to in the 70s. We will start the trim out on our LaBelle, which is this triple wide here with the porch. If you drove by and you've seen it, you just couldn't go in yet, we will start that tomorrow, and hopefully we should have that completed by the end of the week. And then we'll have an open house for our Fifth Avenue. So this is a 2021 model that you'll be able to view. It's almost 3,000 square feet. So if your budget is going to be in the 30s, if your budget is the 50s, if your budget is the 60s, or if your budget is at $300,000, we have it here on the lot available for you. We are here from 8 o'clock until 5:30 or until the last person leaves. If you're running a little late or you don't get out of work late, there's no problem. Just call, set your appointment up, and we'll wait for you. So we look forward to meeting you, and we're here for you. All right, thanks you guys. Bye.